SWF Krantechnik, today with a new function, so-called editing.
Makes it easy.
Today I want to show you how to connect first with that new function and how to work with that, so to change parameters from floor level, to do load calibration and so on. For the SWF Krantechnik editing function, you need the access via my support. You have to participate training for OMNI control, and then you need the hardware, so the gateway and the OMNI control, and of course a smartphone. When we are connected with a gateway, you go back to the app and then you have to use the radio or the pendant, and first is the up button needs to be pressed. Signal is detected. Now you have to press the down button, and when this signal is also detected, you have to confirm that. And now you are connected with the gateway, and you can be sure that you are connected with the correct crane. In this example, we have one crane, so it's hoist A. I tap on hoist A, and it's now checking the parameter status. Is something different to the last connection? If there are differences, it will be shown. If not, it will go ahead with the normal screen. How to proceed the load calibration with the smartphone. Guide first to parameter area number 4, load calibration, and then press editing. The window will change. Here you have then parameter 4.7. The overall protection needs to be switched off first. So tap on that, press off, and now you can continue with calibration. First step is always with the empty hook. So we have to type in 0.0 tons in case of the hook is really empty. Press on next, and that was the first step. The next step is, first you have to lift the load. The load needs to be stable on the hook, no load swing, nothing else. Then if the load is stable at the hook, press on set test load and set now the real load. In our example, we have a 5-ton hoist, and the load which is available is 5.5 tons. So I type in now 5.5 tons. Press on next. The next step is press done and apply parameter changes. Apply now, and now the values are stored via the gateway to the OMNI control. All these values can be checked in the next step in parameter 4.3. Here you can see the values after the load calibration. How to edit parameters? You have to guide first to the parameters, and in our example we have done service at the hoist. We have changed the contactors because the lifetime of the contactors was already over, and the same is for the hoisting brake. We have replaced the complete brake, and now we have to adjust the parameters. So we go to number 9 to the settings, and then we guide to the parameters for the lifting contactors first, for up, down and fast. In this case it's parameter 9.7, 9.8 and 9.9. And here we can change now by pressing the editing button. We can change then the values all to 0 because we built in new contactors. We have to press next. So then we go to the next parameter, in this case 9.7. We set it also to 0. Next. Controls and fast, we set it to 0. Next. And now we press on done. And the next screen shows us apply parameter changes. It's highlighted in orange color, so tap on that. A new window will open, and here we have to apply now the parameters, and then all these parameters are updated via the gateway to the OMNI control. All the parameters which we have changed are now shown once again in an extra screen. And I press now on done, and that's it. You will find the training agenda on our homepage, and here you can check all our trainings what we provide. Especially for the editing function you need the OMNI control training, and this is supplied here in Mannheim with our crane in real life, and it would be a pleasure that you come over and we can do the training together. Thank you and goodbye.
Makes it easy.